The emergency alert system has issued a civil emergency alert. The following message is transmitted from the request of National Aeronautics and Space Administration or NASA. This is not a drill. A space event is happening at the moment and it might lead to something dangerous to our planet. We aren't sure what is possibly happening. We will keep you updated as soon as possible.
That is odd. I wonder what's happening. I hope it's nothing bad.
The emergency alert system has issued a civil danger warning. The following message is transmitted from the request of National Aeronautics and Space Administration or NASA. A space event is occurring. We found out a black hole is going towards the Earth. We are not sure yet if it will. We also found out that it's moving incredibly fast to Earth. We will notify you as soon as we can.
That was creepy. I mean, it was worse than before.
The emergency alert system has issued an evacuation immediately alert. The following message is transmitted from the request of National Aeronautics and Space Administration or NASA. The black hole is close to Earth. Evacuation won't help us to be safe from the black hole. This is the end of us. May God bless us.